Legionella is commonly found in water sources such as rivers, lakes and reservoirs, as well as in man-made water systems such as cooling towers, hot tubs and plumbing systems. In natural water sources, Legionella can be found in low concentrations, especially in warm water. When water temperatures are between 20 and 45 degrees C, the bacteria can rapidly multiply and form biofilms on surfaces such as rocks or sediments. Once the biofilm has formed, the bacteria can thrive and survive for extended periods in the water source. In man-made water systems, Legionella can be found in complex water systems such as air conditioning systems, cooling towers and hot water systems. These systems can provide an ideal environment for the bacteria to grow and spread. Legionella can also grow in stagnant water where there is a lack of circulation or treatment, such as unused plumbing fixtures. Some common areas where Legionella may be found in man-made systems include the following. Cooling towers are commonly used in large buildings to cool air conditioning systems. They can provide an ideal environment for Legionella to grow and spread. Hot tubs and spa pools are a common source of Legionella contamination. The warm water and sometimes poor maintenance can create an ideal environment for the bacteria to thrive. Legionella can also be found in domestic water supplies. In homes, the bacteria can grow in areas such as showers, taps and hot water tanks that are not used frequently. Hospitals and other healthcare facilities are particularly vulnerable to Legionella contamination. The bacteria can grow in water systems of these buildings, and patients with weakened immune systems are at high risk of developing Legionnaires' disease. And finally, large public buildings such as shopping centres and museums and government buildings can also help be a source of Legionella contamination. These buildings have complex water systems that can provide an ideal condition for the bacteria to grow. Preventing Legionella contamination is essential to protect public health. Regular testing and monitoring of water systems, along with appropriate control measures, are necessary to reduce the risk of Legionella contamination. Building owners and operators have a responsibility to ensure that the water systems are properly maintained and that the appropriate control measures are in place to reduce the risk of Legionella contamination.